Namaste, incredible explorers. Welcome back to Children Knowledge Hub. Today, we are embarking on a massive journey. We are going to a place that is vibrant, ancient, and totally magical. Are you ready? Buckle up. We are flying across the oceans to the incredible, diverse, and beautiful country of India. We are going to explore everything from snowy mountains to giant tigers. Let's go. India is huge, and its landscape changes all the time. In the very north, you will find the Himalayas, the tallest, snowiest mountains in the entire world. Brr, it's cold up there. Just below the mountains, we find the plains. These flat, green areas are fed by massive rivers, like the Ganges. This water is super important for farming food, like rice, for millions of people. If you travel west, it gets hot and sandy in the Thar Desert. But if you go all the way south, you find beautiful, tropical beaches with warm, blue oceans. It's like 10 countries in one. India has been around for a long, long time. Thousands of years ago, it was home to some of the first and biggest civilizations on earth. Over time, powerful kings, or rajas, built magnificent palaces. But India is also famous for peaceful wisdom. Leader Mahatma Gandhi showed the world how to make big changes using peace and kindness instead of fighting. And you can't talk about history without seeing this. The magnificent Taj Mahal. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Wow! The most amazing thing about India is its people. It is incredibly diverse. India is so big that there are actually 22 official languages spoken across the country. That's a lot of ways to say hello. And because there are so many people, there are amazing festivals. India loves to celebrate. One of the biggest is Diwali, the festival of lights. Families light lamps to celebrate light overcoming darkness and good overcoming evil. Another super famous festival is Holi, the festival of colors. People gather together to playfully splash each other with brightly colored powders to celebrate the arrival of spring. It looks like so much fun. It's also home to majestic Asian elephants. These elephants have slightly smaller ears than African elephants and are super smart and social. They are even worshipped as sacred in some parts of the country. And don't forget the beautiful peacock. With its incredible tail feathers, it's the proud national bird of India. But India isn't just about ancient history and jungles. Today, it's a global powerhouse of technology and innovation. India has its very own space program, called ISRO. They send satellites into orbit, explore the moon, and are planning to send astronauts into space too. How cool is that? What an incredible journey! India is truly a land of mountains, tigers, space rockets, and millions of colors. We learned that it's diverse, vibrant, and incredibly diverse. What was your favorite fact about India? Tell us in the comments. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Children Knowledge Hub for more awesome global adventures. Study up, explore, and namaste.